Alrighty guys, this is handheld recording, but we're rail fanning at Fullerton and we got a Metro Link, guys. Sorry for the shaking because I was rushing. Alright, no horn show today, but alright, this is a pretty short one. But yeah. Alrighty, goodbye cab car. One of the coolest Metro Link. Oh gosh. Hey guys, this is handheld recording. This is what I mean. Sometimes handheld recording is bad, but overall it's fine. Oh, we got a flashing yellow, but no one cares. And I don't know who's that over there standing, but if they know my YouTube channel, shout out to them. But yeah, guys, see you in the next video. Oh, guys, look, there's a person in the tracks. Wow. Just wow, that's so dangerous. Wow. Do you guys believe that? Who does that? Unbelievable. This is, guys, why this is why you should never use drugs. This is just not good. Wow. I'm surprised she didn't even get hit. If she was like in a worse condition, she would have gone in big trouble. Whew. Alrighty guys, see you in the next train. Maybe. Alrighty guys, we're rail fanning Fullerton. Here comes the BNSF. Probably. Gosh. Guys. Wow, this is long. Oh, look, more. Take on it. Guys, so I don't know the number, but I'm not sure if whatever the fake bonnet we saw or horn bonnet, I don't know if you guys see the number, but if you guys could see the number, please tell me down below. But yeah, guys, thanks for watching, I guess, this quick video of Fullerton rail fanning and evening. But yeah, guys, I'll see you in the next video, guys, and leave a comment down below what do you think. So yeah, and it's gone. Alrighty, guys, goodbye.